How to use Zapier with Notion. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Zapier with Notion. So let's get into it. So first things first, what I want to do is I have to figure out what it is that I want to, create a Zap for. So I created a Zap for a Google Calendar event with my database in Notion. So I have my calendar right here and I set it up something like this. So simply set up your event. Let me just show you what I did. Edit the existing draft. There we go. So right here, I created new events, right? And in the account, I've already connected it. And over here is the trigger. I selected my account right here. And then I have the test. To make the test positive, all you have to do is create a new event and then just simply click on test. It will go ahead and find the recently created event and you are good to go. Once that's done, just simply click on continue, and after that, you will have to select Notion. Now, in Notion, again, it's very simple. The event that I chose was create a database item and connected the account and selected the action over here. You can add whatever it is that you want to add, the summary, the task, whatever it is, and then you can just simply click on test. And once that's done, you are good to go. Now, over here, it should pop up right here, but once that's done, all of your zaps, whatever it is that you've triggered, it should, work pretty smoothly. So it worked for me and it should work for you. It's very simple. All you got to do is just simply connect it and create a trigger. And that is it. That is how you use Zapier with Notion. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.